enjoyed healthy, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different with this plant-based chicken product. Okay, it's delicious. I always have it on hand. There's no paid endorsement here. I just love this product. I'm going to make vegan crab cakes. So here they are. Make them on a bed of arugula and watermelon radish. I'm going to do a light vinaigrette on the arugula, and I'm going to top it with a Lemon-Tarragon Aioli. To make the Lemon-Tarragon Aioli, it's going to be very simple. I'm just going to zest this lemon and take the juice of one lemon and take a couple tablespoons of vegan mayo. Some French style tarragon. If you have fresh, that would be better. Start my herb garden again soon, since the weather's getting nicer. Okay, so about a tablespoon of that tarragon, a couple pinches of salt, pepper, seasoned to taste, and one tiny clove of garlic. I'm just going to mince that in my press, just a little kiss of garlic. I'm using my little whisk, it's easier. Whisk that up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. If you hit the bell and select all, you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Okay, so let's also make the super green vinaigrette for our arugula salad. It's going to be the bed of our dish here. Okay, so we're just going to take a little bit of olive oil, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. A little salt and pepper. Very, very simple. And our super green, oh, this is brand new. Super green superfood mix, which I love and incorporate any chance that I get. Okay, it's got everything you want to be a green mix. Take our little whisk, set that aside. So this is a plant-based chicken alternative, but I'm going to use it to make crab cakes. Okay, so just so you know a little bit about this, there are no preservatives. It's a product made in Australia. It's non-GMO. It's actually, I believe it's gluten-free, but I'm gonna use Panko breadcrumbs, so this dish won't be gluten-free. But it's completely vegan, and you add just a few simple ingredients. Now, I mostly use it to make dishes like the chicken tacos, or my go-to for this is chicken parmesan or chicken marsala, because it makes these beautiful chicken cutlets that honestly the kids can't tell the difference. And they're neutral taste, so they take on whatever flavor you put into it. Now, it's a package like this. It's dry. It has a really long shelf life, but there are no preservatives in it. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this open. And the basic recipe to make anything with it is a cup of water and a tablespoon of oil. But I'm going to put a little seafood spin on it. I dumped the entire package into my mixing bowl. I have a cup of water here, just filtered water, and I'm going to use a couple different things to give it that seafood crab flavor. I have a fish sauce. Okay, this is such a great thing to have on hand because you can use it in so many dishes, but don't ever spill it. You got to be careful. You'll regret it. You just need a little bit to get that fish flavor. It's like a little essence. So I'm just actually going to do a couple, not even a salt it and pepper it a little bit. Mix that up. And I'm going to form some patties. Now this plant-based replacement has 20 grams of protein per serving. There are 4 servings in that box. 20 grams of protein per serving and 3 grams of fiber per serving. So it's made from wheat protein, which is also known as vital wheat gluten. I'm a big fan of that. Vital wheat gluten is actually low in carbs but high in protein. Okay, and it also has some mung bean and pea protein in there as well. But no sugar, no salt added. You've got to add your own salt. And then I'm pressing it into these seasoned Panko bread crumbs. To serve this up, I'm just going to take a very simple arugula, organic arugula greens, and some matchstick watermelon rash. I love watermelon rash. It's so healthy for you too. So I made that super pretty vinaigrette. I'm just going to drizzle that on top. A little pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper. Toss that. That will be the base for our vegan crab cakes. Pan fried them in batches of 3. So we're going to just place these on here. This makes a gorgeous lunch or a light dinner. Since it's only like 11 o'clock, I think we'll have these for lunch. And I made my Lemon-Tarragon Aioli. I'm just going to drizzle that on top. This video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, do all the stuff, and I'll see you later. Thanks. Have a great day. For more recipes, visit my website, enjoyandhealthy.com.